Hi guys, today I have created this very simple effect but it looks really cool. You can use it somewhere or at least you can learn this technique how to create this thing. And I will create it again from scratch, very simple. It will be very quick tutorial. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this tutorial. So you see it's just one emitter. If you'll see here, this is just one emitter. And you'll see I was just doing R&D and I just come up with this. So I'll show you again how to do that. I'll just close this. Let me save this also and take a Niagara Fountain. So when you have a fountain and you have the forces, I'll delete that. Now you have a sphere. Let's make the size 100. Okay. And now this sphere is full of particle. I just want on the surface. So here's the surface. You can just make it 1.